Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Create a new site by going to Sites. Google, com and tapping the plus button. Once done, immediately pick either a template or a blank site. Template speed layout, blank gives full control. Give your site a clear name and choose navigation placement. Top for simple menus, left for complex sections. Make sure to connect Drive files and upload images now, because linking later can break layout. This first momentum saves time and avoids reorganizing pages later. Now you build the site structure. Add pages for home, about, contact, plus any product or project pages, and nest pages for hierarchy. Use insert to add text boxes, images, embeds, and pre-built layouts. Drag handles adjust column width and spacing. Once comfortable, set the theme colors and fonts so everything looks consistent. Make sure to configure page-level settings like meta descriptions, and connect Google Analytics or a custom domain while the structure is still flexible. Because these affect when pages are ready, click Publish and choose your site address or connect a custom domain. Set view permissions to public or limited users. Preview on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Make sure embeds resize and navigation links point to the right pages. If something looks off, clear your browser cache and re-preview. If an embed or Drive file won't show, check sharing permissions. Finally, publish again after fixes, and confirm your domain and analytics are reporting correctly, so you know the site is live and tracked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.